For the first time, Bitcoin went above $68,000 in November 2021, and by the beginning of this year, it had dipped and dropped below $50,000. Irrespective of the market's instability, this current high point is a big increase for Bitcoin's price after it began below $30,000 in January 2021. The Bitcoin price change states wildly by the day and also by every minute. Bitcoin's price initially started the year 2022 below $50,000 and has presently dropped way below $38,000. In today's video, we will take a critical look at Bitcoin, but before we go on, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's get started. Despite the high rate of volatility, many professionals believe in the possibility of Bitcoin hitting an all-time high of $100,000 this year, although they all have different views on how and when this will happen in the year. Here are the opinions of some professionals in the crypto world about how Bitcoin might hit $100,000. Kate Waltman is a popular New York-based and certified accountant who specializes in the cryptocurrency world. The most knowledgeable educators in the space are predicting $100,000 Bitcoin in Q1 2022 or sooner, says the expert. Few other professionals are not quick to suggest a number and possible date, but instead they've pointed out the possible outcome of increasing high value per time. Every cryptocurrency investor should anticipate a pretty sustainable increase in Bitcoin's long-term value determined by the organic market occurrence. Ian Ballina, the founder of cryptocurrency research and media company Token Metrics and also a Bitcoin investor, predicted that Bitcoin will be $75,000 at the end of the year 2022. Although technical analysis surely proves $100,000 isn't totally out of the question, Ian Ballina told Next Advisor that he chooses to adopt a more reliable and conservative stance. Matthew Hyland, a blockchain data and technical analyst, predicted the worth of Bitcoin to be $250,000 by the end of January 2022. Bitcoin crossing the unavoidable $100,000 price threshold will catalyze a happy bull run, said Matthew Hyland on his personal Twitter account. Matthew Hyland cited the 150% move back in the year 2017 as vital evidence of where Bitcoin accelerated from $8,000 to $20,000 just after Thanksgiving of that particular year. Robert Breedlove, the founder of the marketing of the digital asset and CEO consulting firm Parallax Digital, also shared his take on this. Robert Breedlove predicted a Bitcoin rate of $307,000 by October 2021, but it failed. He also predicted a 12.5 million Bitcoin price by the year 2031. His reason includes the inflationary price pressure after the COVID-19, which he believes will thrust interest in the cryptocurrency, pushing the price rate of the Bitcoin higher than the former projections that have been estimated. In an exclusive interview earlier this year, Robert Breedlove addressed how the last quarter of the year 2021 was 510 days after the case called halving, where Bitcoin's algorithm altered the gain for mining transactions. He said that the halving cases were followed by fresh increases roughly 500 days afterward. However, alongside cryptocurrency experts, some large financial platforms and institutions have also made their suggestions, and vital predictions are known. Here are some of their views. Alexis Johnson, the president of Lightnode Media, a blockchain public relations and event company, stated that there's a fixed supply but increasing demand. Other professionals pick out Bitcoin as having value because investors give it value. Nelson Merchant, Lightnode Media co-founder, also said something similar. That's really why everyone's buying, because of the psychological aspect. However, this can get hard for an average consumer to know whether Bitcoin and other key cryptocurrencies are valid. This is because the entire concept of the supply and demand approach is established when people need something that is not readily available. Nelson Merchant also talked about Bitcoin's origins. He said, "It does almost kind of seem like a scam," though the expert says he's witnessed his cryptocurrency holdings attain millions since he started investing in the year 2017. He, however, also addressed the fact that he has seen them disappear also in an instant. Nelson Merchant also said this, "I'm a big believer that if it's not in cash, you don't have the money, because in crypto, anything can drop dramatically overnight. This is the reason why known financial developers always advise upcoming investors to only give 1% to 5% of their entire portfolio to cryptocurrency to keep their earnings from the volatility. Kate Waltman, a New York-based certified public accountant who specializes in crypto, also shares her view. She stated that the crypto technology is being adopted at a faster rate than humans first adopted internet technology, and if it persists, the combined acceleration of fresh adoption would keep pushing the rate of Bitcoin higher per time. Bitcoin acceptance has been on the increase at a yearly rate of 113% according to the data accumulated from CoinShares, the digital asset management firm. Although people embrace the internet at a low rate of 63%, if investors warm up to Bitcoin at a rate similar to the internet's early days, this report addresses the case that there will be about 1 billion users by the year 2024 and about 4 billion users by the year 2030. CoinDesk stated that the rate of new wallets in the world increased by 45% from January 2020 to January 2021 to approximately 66 million. People are really serious about crypto. Coinbase, which is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, stated that it presently has above 73 million worldwide users. Federal experts have made it known in recent months that they are paying vital focus to the cryptocurrency industry. President Joe Biden presently put to paper an infrastructure bill allowing all cryptocurrency exchanges to inform the IRS of all their transactions. Janet Yellen, a Treasury Secretary, also recently addressed stablecoins. She said it is a sort of cryptocurrency linked to the worth of the US dollar, and it ought to be key to federal oversight. The issue of the policy regulation is quite inconsistent. When China prohibited cryptocurrency in September 2021 and made it illegal, for instance, key investors noticed the price of the Bitcoin dip. However, it has notably risen and commenced its normal volatility. Though there is close to 10 years of precedent for Bitcoin, the Exchange Commission and Securities Commission are observing all options on a case-by-case basis. Finally, one key influence on Bitcoin's rate is a popular cycle known as halving. Halving is quite complex and very algorithmic in the study, but in substance, halving is a pace in the Bitcoin mining procedure that results in the gain for mining several Bitcoin transactions attaining cut in half. Halving also affects the pace at which fresh coins enter into circulation, which can affect the rate of active Bitcoin holdings. In past times, halvings have correlated with bust cycles and boom cycles. Some professionals try to foretell these basic cycles down to the moment after a halving case concludes. What people and key investors need to understand about the Bitcoin price projections, similar to any investment, financial advisors and other experts state investors should not allow Bitcoin's price fluctuations to lead them to brutal emotional decision-making. Professionals recommend not investing over 5% of your entire portfolio in the cryptocurrency, and also not investing to save for basic emergencies and sort high-interest debt. The route to long-term wealth and keeping money for retirement is often easy for people with low-cost index funds and other diversified investments. I hope you now understand the volatility makes it difficult to know the why and what behind your cryptocurrency scheme. Before investing your resources in Bitcoin or any other alternative coins, make sure you've gotten enough information on it. That will assist you to remain focused. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it educational and fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Let's hear what you think about this video. Kindly drop your comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.